Okay, super. Can you tell us the difference between Remax and a fixed price agent?
Yeah, it's a really good question. Fixed price agents, obviously, they're setting a price in advance, and most of the time they're taking their fees up front as well. And even if they're not, they're guaranteeing their fees before they've done the job, which means that there's absolutely no incentive whatsoever for them to sell your property, because regardless of whether they do or not, they've got your money. A Remax agent is paid on commission and only gets their money once the keys have been handed over to the new owner and the money is safely in your bank account.
So the incentive is key in the process.
Well, absolutely. Do you want an agent that's going to take the first price he can get just to get the property off his books because they're charging a small fixed price, they have to sell as many properties as they can? Or do you want an agent that's got the time to spend negotiating, making sure that by the time you do accept an offer, it's for the highest possible price?
Super.